Good afternoon everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So here today we are looking at another part of A levels, which is proving if two functions are inverses of each other. So this is a very simple topic. So what are we going to do? So to prove that two functions are inverses of each other, let's begin with our first part. Let's say, so in order for us to determine if these two are inverses of each other, the rule is as simple as the fg of x should give you x. Likewise, even g f of x should also give you x. Now what does this mean? This simply means to say, when answering this type of equation, you have to prove both of them that they are giving you x. There is nothing like if one gives you x then you conclude. No, you have to show them both. So we are going to say what is f of g. So we know that our f of x is equal to that, so we are going to say our f of g, we can say f of g of x should be equal to the function of f, which is a 5. Now where there is x, we can put g of x. That's the meaning. Like this, we can put g of x, then we have minus 9. So we are going to substitute. We have 5. The function of g of x is such that we have x plus 9 over a 5, then we have minus, like that. So here we are going to multiply. So you will realize to say this 5 and this 5 will cancel each other. So we are remaining with x plus a 9, then we have minus 9. So our fg of x will be able to give us a value such as 9 minus 9 is equal to x. So we have proven the first part, f of g of x is equal to x. Let's also verify that it is going to give us the same thing for the other part. So we know that our g of x is given as x plus 9 over a 5. We also know that our f of x is also equal to, we have 5x minus 9. So we are going to verify our gf of x is the same as being equal to g. Where there is x, we are going to put this. So we have, what is the function for g of x? G of x is equal to x plus 9. So where there is x in g, we are going to put f of x. Then we have plus a 9 over a 5. Then from here we are going to substitute. What is f of x? F of x is 5x minus 9. Then we have plus 9 over a 5. So we are going to have 9 minus 9 will give us 0. So here we are remaining with a 5x over 5, which will give us g f of x to be equal to x. So we have a g f of x is equal to x. So therefore we can say, since f of g of x is equal to g f of x, this should be equal to x. They are inverses. So they are inverses of each other. So let's look at the next problem. So for B, we are going to do the same thing. So we are going to first find our f g of x, which should be equal to f. Where there is x in f, we are going to put a g of x. So we have, what is our f? Our f is equal to x cubed. So where there is x there, we are going to put a g of x. Now this x is raised to the power of 3, then we have plus 1, like that. From here we are going to substitute. Our g of x is equal to the cube root. We have the cube root of x minus 1 cube root, then we have the power of 3, then we have plus 1. So what are we going to have? We have this power of 3 and this one will cancel each other. So we are remaining with x minus 1 plus 1. This will give us a value such as x. So we have established that f of g of x is equal to x. So now let's look at the opposite. if it is the case. So having this, we are going to find our gf of x, which is the same as g. Where there is x in g, we are going to put our f of x. So substituting, we are going to have a situation of saying where there is g, so we have the function of g is such that it is the cube root. Where there is x, we are going to put f of x, then we have minus a 1 like that. So now we are going to put the function of f of x. So we have f of x is equal to x cubed plus 1, then we have minus 1. So we have just substituted. So this should be equal to, what do we have? So we have a value such as the cube root of, so 1 minus 1 is equal to, we are just it's 0, so we are remaining with x cubed. So this power will cancel with the roots there. So we are going to have established that g f of x is equal to x. So therefore we can conclude to say, since our fg of x is equal to a gf of x, we can say they are inverses of each other. So that is how you prove two functions are the opposite of each other. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you would like, subscribe, share for more. See you in the next tutorial.